To use this template, click on Get Template, and when you come in, this is what you're going to see. And you click on View Template. You click on Open in Editor. When you come into the editor, this is how the template will look. So if I click on this now, you can go in and bring in your own images. I'll go to my elements and I want to bring in images I want to use in this template. I'll pull this into this template and I would click out and click back into the template, hold down Shift on my keyboard and use the left arrow key on your keyboard to slide it for the second one to come up, and I'll bring in the second image and also I'll click out, click back into the design and hold down Shift on my keyboard, use the left side arrow to bring in the third part to add in the third image. What I usually do to make it seamless for me is to position the 3 and the 4, and I will go in now and let me pull this into 3 and let me, when you do something that you shouldn't have done, just undo it, and I'm going to pull this into 4 and I will click out and click back into the template and hold Shift, use the side left arrow to bring out the other parts where I can add in my own image into the template. Now I have it this way. I'm going to pull my next image in here, pull this image in here. If you want to adjust an image, just hold Shift and pull it out. If I want to adjust this image, I would click that image and come to this crop sign, and you see I have the option to pull in the parts I want to be seen in this image. Click on Done, click out, click back in and hold Shift, slide to bring in the next one. You can add 7 images in this template, and I would add in my last image, and I have all my image settled, and I'll go to position and take it to the left. You see it has brought it back to the beginning. And now preview our template. Let's click on preview to preview this template. You can see your template beautifully playing out like that. Once you're happy with how your images look, you click on share here and click on download to download your video. I'm using a free Canva account, so this works on any account. You can see here that Canva is saying for me to upgrade my plan, so you don't need to have a pro account to be able to use this template.